mild January weather on the way. Even by Friday night, we'll start to see a frost developing across the British Isles. And then later on in the weekend, especially Sunday and Monday nights, a really sharp frost extending southwards to all parts. So quite a change on the way. There'll also be some snow. I think the first signs of snow through tonight across the Scottish mountains. Already the cloud and the rain developing out to the west of Ireland. And that Atlantic low zipping its way northwards to affect much of Britain, bringing quite a wet scene through tonight and tomorrow. As I said, snow over the mountains above about 700 feet. But back to this afternoon, and it's brightened up quite well. Some fine sunny weather across many western areas, and a pretty bright and sunny afternoon for most places, I think, with scattered wintry showers, especially across the northwest, where there'll be a sleet, hail or thunder. Rather a blustery scene, there were brisk west winds, with temperatures a little bit lower than yesterday's at 7 or 8 Celsius. Now, with clear skies this evening and at first tonight, it'll be cold enough for a touch of frost, perhaps an air frost in northeast Scotland. But then temperatures rising as cloud and rain streams its way up from the southwest, possibly gales in the south, and also as that rain moves in across Scotland, we'll see it turning increasingly to snow. By the end of the night, there's a little bit of a change. It'll turn clearer and drier around the Irish Sea and in across Northern Ireland. Perhaps cold enough for a ground frost in Northern Ireland, but generally temperatures rising to 4 or 5 Celsius. Now, for Thursday, starting rather cloudy and wet, especially across these northern areas down through eastern and southern England. Snow still in northern areas. But through the day, that sunnier weather in Northern Ireland pushing its way eastwards, with showers quickly rattling into the south and west. So pretty showery end to the day then for most, with temperatures much the same as today's. Then the change coming through for Friday and the weekend. It'll turn chillier, some wintry showers, and possible snow as this little low zips its way in across central Britain for Sunday. In fact, it could be quite nasty across some parts, say, of northern England up into southern Scotland with drifting and some heavy snow, but we will keep you updated on that. For Friday first, bright, there'll be wintry showers around, possibly some heavy snow over the Scottish mountains, gale force winds. For Saturday, not too bad, some sunshine for many, but in the first signs of that little low that's going to be zipping in, that'll bring wet weather north to many places with